Are you looking to reshape your physique but don't have access to a gym? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful exercises that will sculpt your body quickly and effectively. And the best part, no equipment is necessary. Your body itself is the ultimate fitness tool. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even in a small space, these exercises are your ticket to enhancing muscle tone and improving overall fitness. Let's explore these transformative workouts one by one. Squats are renowned not just because they're effective, but because they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. They are particularly great for targeting the thighs and glutes. Performing squats regularly not only enhances balance but also fires up your metabolism, helping you burn fat while maintaining muscle mass. For beginners, I recommend starting with 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions, twice or thrice a week. It's a straightforward exercise that brings profound results. Push-ups are the quintessential bodyweight exercise that works several muscle groups, including your biceps, triceps, core, and deltoids. This compound movement does wonders for your cardiovascular health as it gets your heart pumping, enhancing heart health. Additionally, executing push-ups properly can help maintain proper posture and prevent back pain. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 16 repetitions to see the best results. The plank might look simple, but it's a powerhouse. It works not just your abdominal muscles, but also your entire core and even your glutes. This exercise is essential for building strength rather than boosting heart rate, but it does help in burning calories due to the engagement of multiple muscle groups. For someone weighing around 150 pounds, holding a plank can burn approximately 3 calories per minute. Integrate this into your routine to enhance core stability and strength. Lunges are dynamic. They require a shift of weight that not only targets your legs, but also engages your glutes, calves, and hamstrings. This exercise is fantastic for improving core stability, enhancing flexibility, and sculpting your legs. Perfecting your form is crucial, especially for beginners, but once mastered, lunges can be incredibly effective. You might find yourself fitting into those skinny jeans sooner than you think. Next, we have burpees, a high-energy, full-body workout that integrates strength training with aerobic endurance. Burpees work virtually every muscle in your body and keep your heart rate up, making them a perfect exercise for improving cardiovascular health and muscle tone without any equipment. Transform your body and boost your health with Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. This powerful tonic blends ancient Sumatra herbs known for their fat-burning properties, designed to help you achieve a slimmer waistline and improve digestion. Imagine feeling energized, lighter, and more confident with every sip. It's more than just a weight loss solution. It's a lifestyle change that empowers you to live your best life. Ready to see the difference? Explore our complete range of products in the description box below and start your journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you today. Let's delve deeper into each exercise, explaining their benefits in more detail and giving you tips to maximize their effectiveness. This will ensure that you not only perform these exercises correctly, but also understand the full range of benefits they can offer to your health and physique. Squats are more than just a leg exercise. They are a functional movement that mimics many natural bending motions. Regular squatting ensures that you maintain mobility and balance. Plus, squats can help improve circulation throughout the body, enhance digestion, and even aid in waste removal. To take your squat to the next level, ensure your form is correct. Keep your back straight, feet shoulder width apart, and always bend from the hips, lowering down as if sitting in an invisible chair. Remember, depth is key to activating all muscle groups effectively. Push-ups might be common, but they're also easy to get wrong. Proper push-ups require your body to be in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push up explosively. This not only engages the upper body, but also involves the core and lower body, providing a full body workout. To decrease intensity, try variations such as the diamond push-up or the wide grip push-up. These modifications can help target different muscle groups and prevent workout monotony. While the standard plank is a fantastic exercise, variation can bring additional benefits and challenges. Try the side plank to engage the obliques or add leg raises to make it more dynamic. Another effective variation is the reverse plank, which shifts the focus to the lower back and shoulders. Incorporating these variations into your routine can ensure balanced core strength and greater challenge, keeping the exercise both interesting and highly effective. Lunges are versatile and can be varied in several ways to increase their difficulty and effectiveness. Try the walking lunge to add movement and increase cardiovascular benefits, or the reverse lunge to reduce stress on the knees while still targeting all major muscle groups in the lower body. For those looking to really challenge themselves, add a jump to your lunges to create a plyometric exercise that boosts heart rate and increases muscle power. Burpees are perhaps one of the most dreaded exercises, yet they offer unmatched benefits. They combine squats, jumps, and push-ups, providing a high-intensity, full-body workout that boosts endurance and burns a significant amount of calories. To modify, step rather than jump back into the plank position to reduce impact. Or for an added challenge, include a tough jump instead of a standard jump at the end of each burpee to really push your limits. Creating a routine that incorporates these exercises can seem daunting, but consistency is key to seeing results. Start with 3 days a week, dedicating around 20 minutes to perform these exercises in a circuit format. As you become more comfortable, increase the duration and intensity of your workouts. Remember, rest days are just as important as workout days. They allow your muscles to recover and grow stronger. It's important to adapt these exercises to fit your fitness level and any physical limitations you might have. Always consult with a healthcare provider or fitness professional before beginning any new workout regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or injuries. Remember, each exercise can be modified to suit your needs without compromising effectiveness. Now, staying motivated can sometimes be more challenging than the workouts themselves. Set small, achievable goals, track your progress, and celebrate your successes no matter how small. Joining a community, whether online or in person, can also provide support and accountability, helping you stay committed to your fitness journey. Let's look into practical tips on scheduling these exercises and explore the psychological benefits of regular physical activity. With this comprehensive guide, you'll not only perfect the exercises but also integrate them seamlessly into your lifestyle for sustained health and fitness. To maximize the benefits of these body-transforming exercises, consistency in your workout schedule is crucial. Consider the following tips for crafting a workout regimen that fits your lifestyle and goals. Set realistic goals. Start with achievable goals that match your current fitness level. For instance, aim for 20-minute sessions 3 times a week and gradually increase the duration and frequency as your stamina improves. Mix and match. Combine different exercises each day to keep the routine exciting and cover various muscle groups. For example, focus on core strength with planks and push-ups one day and target lower body strength with squats and lunges the next. Track your progress. Use a journal or an app to track your workouts and progress. Seeing improvements over time can be a powerful motivator and help you stay committed. Engaging in regular physical activity like the exercises we discussed have just transformed your body. It also has profound impacts on your mental health. Enhanced mood. Exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, often known as feel-good hormones. This natural mood lifter can help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Stress reduction. Physical activity reduces levels of the body's stress hormones, such as adrenaline and cortisol. Also promotes relaxation and enhances well-being through the production of endorphins. Improved sleep. Regular exercisers often report better sleep patterns, including quicker sleep onset and deeper sleep. This is crucial as good sleep helps regulate mood, improve brain function, and increase energy levels. Boosted self-esteem. As you meet your fitness goals and improve your body image, regular exercising builds confidence and self-esteem. Making exercise a daily habit can be challenging, but with these strategies, you can integrate fitness into your routine seamlessly. Morning boosts. Start your day with a quick workout. Even a short session of 10 to 15 minutes can increase energy levels and improve mood throughout the day. Work breaks. Incorporate short exercise breaks during work. A 5-minute burpee session or a set of lunges can invigorate your mind and body, making you more productive. Family involvement. Make exercise a family activity. It's a great way to spend quality time together while instilling healthy habits in your loved ones. Social exercise. Join a group or a community that focuses on fitness. This not only provides motivation but also makes exercising more enjoyable. Once you're comfortable with the basics, consider these advanced tips to further enhance the effectiveness of your workouts. Interval training. Integrate high-intensity interval training by adding bursts of high energy like quick sprints, followed by periods of low-intensity exercises or rest. This is especially effective for burning fat and improving cardiovascular health. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the intensity of your workouts by adding more repetitions, more sets, or more time under tension during exercises like planks or squats. Mind-muscle connection. Focus on the muscles you are targeting during each exercise. This mindfulness can increase the effectiveness of the workout by enhancing muscle activation and growth. Sustaining motivation and adherence to a fitness routine is the key to long-term success. Here are some final tips to keep you on track. Regularly update your goals as your fitness level improves. Keep updating your goals to keep them challenging. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself for achieving significant milestones, like a full month of consistent workouts or reaching a fitness goal. Stay informed. Keep learning about new exercises and fitness trends to keep your routine fresh and engaging. Embracing these exercises and integrating them into a consistent fitness routine can profoundly affect both your physical and mental health. We've covered everything from the basics of each exercise to advanced tips for enhancing their effectiveness and even how to weave them into your daily life. Stick with it and you'll not only see but feel the transformation. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, more vibrant self. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Haven for more insightful fitness tips and health guidance. Here's to your health journey. May it be as fulfilling as it is transformative.